Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you love handmade fashion or just enjoy trying new styles, you are going to love today's video. We are taking a look at the most trending crochet dresses that are stylish, comfortable, and perfect for any season. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your fashion loving friends. Crochet dresses are making a big comeback, and not just for babies or winter wear. Today's crochet designs are bold, beautiful, and fit all body types and ages. They are breathable, unique, and handmade with love, which makes each piece extra special, whether it's a casual day out, a summer party, or even a beach trip. There is crochet dresses that fits perfectly. So what are the styles trending right now? Let's start with the boho maxi dress, loose, flowy, and full of beachy vibes. Next we have the mini align crochet dress, perfect for summer and super cute with sneakers and sandals. Open stitch or mesh style dresses are also big right now, especially layered over tank top or another hot trend. Two-piece sets, a crochet top with a matching skirt. It's fresh, fun, and very Instagram worthy. Color trends this year include soft pastels like lavender, mint, peach, and sky blue, but bold tones like deep red, mustard, yellow, and forest green are also gaining love. When it comes to patterns, pineapple stitch, granny squares, and shell designs are everywhere. And the best part, you can style crochet dresses with boots, heels, flats, or even barefoot for a relaxed look, and a belt or layered with a jacket for cooler weather. The options are endless. If you love to crochet, there are tons of trending patterns online you can try at home. And if you prefer buying ready-made looks for local creators or small businesses, each piece tells a story and supports a maker. Whether you are dressing up or just chilling out, a crochet dress adds that unique charm no other outfit can match. Which trending crochet dress was your favorite? Tell us in the comment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more handmade fashion and style ideas. Thanks for watching and stay stylish.